Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the last lecture. Today I've come with the best of it, which is the key steps you must take before starting up nylon production business. Nylon production is most essential business out there. Trust me, nylon is the master of all businesses. There is hardly a business you start without using nylon in one way or the other. Nylon is everywhere. It's not seasonal. That's the best part of the business. The demand for nylon can never go down. Rather, it keeps increasing every day. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is V-World. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw material to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product effectively. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss an update from us. Now, let's dive into today's topic, the key steps you must take before starting a nylon production business. Number one step you must take before starting a nylon production business is training. You cannot go for what you don't know. You have to undergo training. You have to know what nylon is all about before going into it. You don't have to self-learn this one. You have to learn from someone that is already in the business, because when it comes to nylon production business, there are some machines and equipment you need to know how to make use of. Nylon machine is not what you can self-learn. You have to know nylon measurements and their gauges before going into it. So training is a must before going into nylon production business. So another key step we have to take before starting up nylon production business is market research. Market research is very crucial. You have to know the type of nylon that is in high demand in your site and how your site packages nylon, the counting, how they package and how they count nylon. You have to go for market research. Know this your area, how does they pack, what did they like most in nylon, which type of nylon do they make use of every day in this site, how they package nylon and everything. That's why market research is very important. So another step you have to take before starting up nylon production business is business name. Business name is very important too. It matters a lot too. Even though you are producing inside your house, you need to have a business name. It's very important that you look for a business name that is easy to pronounce. Don't go and look for business name that is very difficult for customers to pronounce. Your business can even use your name. If your name is easy to pronounce, your business can use your name. You can use your name as business name. It's very important to have a business name. So that key step you have to take before starting up nylon production business is capital. Very important to consider the capital to buy the equipment, raw materials, and start producing nylon. When you learn from existing company, you are going to likely know the capital that will be enough to start up your nylon production. When you undergo a training, they are going to put you through where to buy raw materials and equipment for production. So another key step you have to take before starting up your own nylon production business is location. Location is very crucial in starting up nylon production business. Don't go and hide your business. Look for a better location. Don't go and hide your business. If you don't have money to rent a shop, you can decide to produce in your house. Your one-room apartment can contain some of the machine that is suitable for beginners. After production in your house, you can look for 2 customers you can distribute to. 2 customers or 3 is enough. 2 good customers or 3 is enough for supply. You can just go and supply to them and come back in your house. And if you want to be distributing in the market, have it at the back of your mind that you have competitors. There are people that is already in the business already before you join the business. Just have it at the back of your mind that there are people in the business before you join. But then, how do you want to stand out? That will take us to another step, which is strategy. What strategy do you have or are you using? If you want to stand out among others, you have to have strong strategy you are using. For example, some people use discounts as strategy. Some people lower prices, while some people use packaging as their strategy. Some people package their product in a different way. So you have to find a strategy that will work for you and your business before thinking of starting up your own business. Strategy matters a lot. So another step you have to take before thinking of starting up your own nylon production business is quality. High quality matters. This one is the main key. High quality matters in nylon production business. When you're producing your nylon, high quality matters. Don't produce nylon that when people buy it, next day they won't come back. Don't produce nylon that your customers will run away from you. Make sure you produce high quality nylon. Don't produce nylon that when somebody puts something inside, it will tear from the bottom or from the side. ensure that you produce strong nylon that will make people, after buying it, they will come back again and still recommend you to others. Don't produce nylon that will damage people's goods. If you want people to keep patronizing you, produce high quality nylon. Produce high quality nylon so that your product will stand out among others. So high quality matters in nylon production business. So another key step you have to take before starting up your own nylon production business is marketing. Marketing is very, very important too in starting up nylon production business. After producing, make sure you take your product to marketplace and let people know what you are producing. Stop posting memes on your WhatsApp status. Post your business on your WhatsApp status, your Facebook, your social media platforms. Let people know what you are producing. Let your friends know what you are producing so that they can refer you to their friends of friends. It's very, very important to market your product. Let people know what you are doing. Another key step you have to take before starting up nylon production business is consistency. Consistency matters in nylon production business. For you to excel in this business, you have to be patient. You have to exercise patience. You have to be disciplined with your timing and everything. Make sure you are always there in your shop. When you are always available when they call you to supply goods to them. You are always there. Just be patient. So, and with that, you are going to excel in nylon production business. Don't forget that V-Work company also train workers on how to start like this. If you want to start with small machines, we also train workers on that. If you want to start with large machines, we also train workers on that. We have physical classes and online classes. So which one are you going for? If you want to join any class, you can contact me so that you join the classes. Don't miss out any class. It's very, very important. So we teach people like this, those that are starting with small machines. We also train workers like this. So anyone you want to go for, if you want to go for online classes, we are available. If you want to go for physical training, we are available. Remember, you can start small, you can start big. We train people on how to make use of foreign machines and local machines too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, as it helps us grow our page. And to my returning subscribers, I really, really appreciate. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate.